Are you curious about AI but don't know where to start? Today, I'm sharing the top 5 free AI tools that are perfect for beginners. First up, ChatGPT by OpenAI. This free AI chatbot can help you write, brainstorm, and even code. Just sign up and start chatting. Next, we have Canva Magic Studio. It generates images, videos, and presentations with just a prompt. The free plan is super beginner friendly. Coming in third, Notion AI. It's your productivity workspace that writes for you, summarize notes, or generate captions effortlessly. Fourth, Descript. This tool lets you edit videos or podcasts by editing text. The free version gives you enough minutes to create like a pro. And last but not least, Pictory AI. Turn scripts into engaging videos automatically. Perfect for social media. AI doesn't have to be complicated or expensive. These 5 free tools are your launchpad into the AI world. Which one will you try first? Drop a comment below.